and welcome to Adulting 101 Simple Cooking. My name is Chelsea and I'm with the Volusia County Public Library at the Hope Place branch. Today I'm going to show you 3 super simple microwave recipes that you can make without even having to turn on your stove or oven. Just to let you all know, I am not a cook, but I was still able to make these recipes. So here's our list of ingredients. Of course, I will show you how to use each of them as we go along. So what we're going to start with is our cooking spray, so give that a good shake and then just spray the inside of your mug. Not too much, not too little. We don't want it to stick to the inside of the mug. And then you're going to take your bread and you're going to rip it into 1-inch by 1-inch pieces. I like going straight down the middle and just taking little bits. You can use any type of bread. I just would recommend something lighter. Alright, so in the mug that we already sprayed with the cooking spray, you can just take your bread and put it in there until your mug is full, but not too full. You don't need to press your bread down. And then in a different mug, one that's empty, has nothing in it, we're going to start to put our actual liquid mixture that we're going to cook the bread in. So in our separate cup, we're going to start with a 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, cinnamon to taste. I love cinnamon. I'm adding a lot of cinnamon. A pinch of salt. You should put 1/8, but I'm guessing. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of syrup, or a little more if you'd like, but the recipe calls for 1 tablespoon. And then 1 whole egg. Make sure you don't get any shells in that. French toast is not meant to be crunchy. So once you've got all of your ingredients in there, you're going to just take a fork and whisk that all up. Make sure the egg is broken up, that yolk is all dissolved until it's all one color. Now I've got this gorgeous light yellow color and I'm just going to pour it all over my pieces of bread. Get them nice and soaked up. And then you can take the fork you are whisking with and kind of just stir them all in there. If you have a little bit of room for more bread, you can feel free to add that now. Now that all our bread pieces are thoroughly soaked with our mixture, we're going to cover our mug and then put it in the microwave. We're going to heat it until it's solid in our microwave. That takes 2 minutes, but depending on the wattage of your microwave, it may take a little more or a little less. So my French toast is fresh out of the microwave. I plopped it on a plate. Now I'm going to put some syrup on it and try it. Beautiful. All right. That is the best mug French toast you will ever eat. That's really good. Yeah. Our next recipe that we're going to make today is a cheesy hot dog in a mug. So here are our ingredients. So you're just going to need your hot dog, your cheese, cooking spray to spray your mug with, and a condiment of your choice. I'm just going to do the cheese and the hot dog. So we're just going to start by spraying our mug with a little bit of cooking spray, and then you're going to cut your hot dog into 8 pieces. So I've got my hot dog cut into 8 pieces. We're just going to throw it into our mug here. The recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of cheese, but I am going to add as much cheese as I'd like because I am a cheese fiend. So at this point you could add a condiment of your choice. I would put about 1 tablespoon in, otherwise it gets a little too liquidy. Now you're going to cover your mug with a plate or a bowl, put it in your microwave. For our microwave, it takes about 2.5 minutes until the hot dog is cooked and the cheese is melted, but depending on your microwave, you may need a little more or a little less time. I have taken my cheesy hot dog out of the microwave and I am so ready to try it. It looks really good. It's the perfect amount of cheese to hot dog. Love it. 10 out of 10. Our final recipe is the delicious and well-known Rice Krispie treats. So here are our ingredients. So we're going to start our recipe off, of course, by spraying a little bit of cooking spray just enough to keep it from sticking to the sides of the mug. And then we're going to pour in alternating layers the cereal and the marshmallow. So pour just a little over the bottom of cereal, then add a layer, just a palm full of marshmallows. Ooh. More cereal. I found that this technique makes it a little easier to stir in between heating it up. And then another layer of marshmallow, a little more cereal, and a couple more marshmallows. What we're going to do next is cover your mug and then put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes and check every 30 seconds and stir it. So about 30 seconds into our melting, we're just gonna add about a tablespoon of butter into our mixture. I'm eyeballing it. And just really mix it in. Those marshmallows are already starting to inflate and get really soft, and they're a bit easier to mix into the cereal. So make sure your butter's in there, and then you'll stick it back into the microwave for 30 more seconds and then stir again. Okay, I know that y'all don't have to see my face when I try this because you know it's good, but I will do so anyways. Ooh, it's still warm. Obviously amazing. Obviously 10 out of 10. That's fantastic. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today. I hope you had fun cooking with me. I know I did because I could actually cook these recipes. Remember to follow us on YouTube at Volusia Teens Read and check out our Instagram at Volusia Reads and turn on our notifications for our YouTube so that you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching. See you later.